Hey everybody, it's Eileen with Kidfunideas and it's Wednesday, so I'm reading a story. And today's story is by Ame Dyckman and it's called Dandy. And it's a super cute story about a daddy lion with a perfect lawn and he finds a weed. But before he can get rid of the weed, his daughter decides it's her best friend. It's so cute. I can't wait to get started. Okay, Dandy by Ame Dyckman. All right, here we go. Oh, Dandy. Oh boy. Daddy spied something scary on his perfect lawn. Do you see it? So he ran for the clippers. It's a weed. But he was too late. Hi, Daddy. Sweetie, Daddy said, that's a weed. A flower, Sweetie said. Her name is Charlotte, and she's my best friend. Daddy hoped his friends wouldn't notice. But they did. A weed? It'll take over the yard, the neighborhood, the universe. You know what you have to do. Daddy did. Oh. He tried during book time. She's reading her book. There's the weed. He's got his shovel. But Sweetie was there. Hi, Daddy. Look, she's reading a book to her friend. He tried during nap time. Here comes the lawnmower. Oh, yikes. But Sweetie was there. Hi, Daddy. He tried during snack time. Oh, he's got a weed-eating goat. But Sweetie was there. Hi, Daddy. We saved you a spot. Look, the goat's having a tea party. Once again, Daddy hoped his friends wouldn't notice. But they did. Get serious. Ooh. So Daddy got serious. Look at all his stuff. He's got nunchucks, a magic potion, jackhammer, a cannon. But Sweetie was always there. Hi, Daddy. Oh, and his lawn is not looking so perfect anymore. Until it was time for swim lessons. Bye, Daddy. Take care of Charlotte. I will, Daddy said. There she goes. He couldn't wait. Oh, there he goes. Vroom, vroom, we'd meet your doom. Doom, doom, doom. The neighbors are rooting him on, and his lawn looks terrible now. But Daddy spied something else on his once perfect lawn. Sweetie's painting. Look, Charlotte's got the painting. Oh, look, it's a picture of Daddy with Charlotte. I can't do it, Daddy cried. We know. They were Daddy's too. Then Daddy's snips slipped. Oh, no! No, Daddy wailed. Charlotte! Oh, no, his snips have snipped Charlotte. They knew what they had to do. Everyone hoped Sweetie wouldn't notice. Oh, look, they're trying to patch her up. But she did. Daddy, Sweetie cried, there's something wrong with Charlotte. Daddy's hiding. Look. Look at all the patches. And look, she's turned into a wishing flower. Daddy looked at his lawn. Well, it isn't perfect anymore. Oh, he looked at Charlotte, his little girl. And he chose. It'll be okay, sweetie, Daddy said. Watch. You know how you pick up those weeds on the grass and blow them and make a wish? Daddy made a wish. Hi, Daddy, Sweetie said. Meet Charlotte 2 and Charlotte 3 and Charlotte 4, and Sweetie beamed. Aren't they beautiful? Look at all the dandelions. Daddy smiled. Yes, Sweetie, he said. They're dandy. This is such a fun, sweet book. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll talk to you next Wednesday. Bye for now.